guys, for today's video, gawa tayo ng chicken strips guys. Madalian lang to guys. Kalimutan ko ipakita sa inyo kung paano ko nag-mix ng yung pinanghalo ko dyan sa chicken strips. Yogurt lang yan guys. Yogurt, egg, onion seeds, salt, and lemon. Easy lang guys. I-leave mo lang ng 1 hour, 30 to 1 hour guys. Tapos na. Pwede po nang i-ano sa breadcrumbs. Guys, ikutin natin sa breadcrumbs guys. Breadcrumbs yan ha. Yan ang pinangkutin natin guys ng ng chicken strips. Breadcrumbs. Yan. So, ito na yung paunang guys, nakakutin na ng breadcrumbs yan guys. Ito na yan guys. Yan. Chicken strips. Pauna lang yan guys, chicken strips. So guys, ito na yung pinang-coated natin ng breadcrumbs, yung chicken strips guys. So easy to cook na yan guys. Pwede nyo yung air fryer for 8 minutes or long fry. Nasa sa inyo yan. Pero mas maganda guys, air fryer. Kung meron kayo, kung wala, edi long fry na lang. Dito sa mantika. Okay guys, yan na yun guys. So let's enjoy eating after this one guys. Chicken strips ito guys ha. Chicken strips. So guys, ito na yung guys, yung air fryer na chicken strips guys. Dito long fry guys sa air fryer making to guys. Iba ang guys sa air fryer tsaka long fry. Ayan. Napaka-crispy niyan guys. Tapos yung sa ilalim niyan yung chicken, smooth na smooth. Ayan guys, yummy. Gawa na kayo guys, try nyo guys for your kids. Makatipid pa kayo guys. Sure pa kayo guys na masarap. So, that's all for this video guys. Shout out sa aking maestro si Hal Amboy Obrero. Maestro pala. Maestro Amboy Obrero. Former si Hal na pala siya. Saka si maestra si Hal Uyamo Channel. At si maestra Joel's Vlog. Ayan guys. Sir Mor, sa may wagang karating di makalimutan. Shout out Sir Mor. At sa aking mga subscribers, maraming salamat po sa pagbisita ng aking channel. At sana wag kayong magsawang bumisita sa channel ko. Love you all guys. Bye bye.